Hello wonderful people, today I'm going to tell you a lot about the ancient natural remedy that can help you with the kidney problems. Use this plant, especially the tea I'm going to recommend you at the end of the show, as a prevention of kidney disease. But if you had kidney disease and want to help them, this plant is going to help you a lot. This plant is extraordinary natural remedies for the kidney is called buchu. Buchu is plant that is originated from South Africa and has been valued for centuries for its extraordinary helping properties. With two main species, the round leaf buchu or Agotosma betulina or Barosma betulina and the oval leaf buchu Agotosma crenulata or Barosma crenulata, this powerful plant have many medicinal benefits. Both species share similar therapeutic properties and are known for their antiseptic, anti-rheumatic, anti-arthritic, digestive, diuretic, insecticidal, tonic properties. This natural remedy we know for the many centuries right now is the one of the perfect plant for helping your kidneys and also with the urinary tract infection. The diuretic properties of buchu encourage the removal of toxins such uric acid and excess salt from the body through increased urination. This helps the urinary system and the kidneys clean, preventing possible infections caused by those toxins. The antimicrobial and antibacterial properties of buchu help fight digestive disorders caused by bacterial and microbial activity. It stimulates the secretion of digestive juices in the stomach, which further facilitates the digestive processes. The smell and the taste of the plant is described as a spice similar to black currant, but also reminiscent of a mixture of rosemary and peppermint. So these plants are originated from the South Africa. We in Europe know the first introduction of this plant in Europe was in 1719 in England. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you, my dear viewers, my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is coming out soon. Much about my new book at the end of the show. Buchu was first exported to the Britain in 1790. In 1821, it was listed in the British Pharmacopoeia as a remedy for cystitis, urethritis, nephritis, and cataract of the bladder. The drug was included in American National Formulary as described as a diuretic and antiseptic. The antibacterial, antifungal, and antispasmodic properties of the buchu make it an excellent remedy for menstrual pain and discomfort. Also, we know when you take buchu each day, it's going to help you a lot with the control of the insulin in your body. This is especially perfect for preventing diabetes. Also, researchers have found that buchu plant can help you a lot with the vagina health, also with the prostate health. This is all so very wonderful information. When you take buchu as a plant, also they are rich in the essential oils, including menthol, camphor, and limonene, which have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties and boost immunity. It is a natural remedy for inflammation of the intestines, teeth, mucous membrane, sinus, also the swelling. You can buy this plant in the form of the tablets, powder, tinctures, or teas in any serious health food store. Now I will recommend you one special tea. Buchu tea also is perfect to buy it in a healthy store or maybe on the internet healthy store, but there's a two plants that we can combine them together and it is going to be so perfect for your kidney health. One is buchu, of course, and second one is the mint. Right now I'm going to recommend you buchu and the mint tea for the benefits, especially for the kidneys. Refreshing buchu and the mint tea combines the healing properties of the buchu with the refreshing taste of the mint. Here how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dry buchu leaves, 1 tablespoon of fresh mint leaves, 400 ml of boiling water, 1 small spoon of honey. Instruction: in 400 ml of boiling water, add 1 small spoonful of buchu dry leaves of buchu plant and add 1 small spoon of mint tea. Reduce the heat to a low level and let the buchu leaves and the mint tea cook gently in the water for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the tea is ready. Remove the pot from the heat. Use a fine strainer to strain the tea into the cup. After 10 minutes, add 1 small spoon of the honey and drink this tea for maybe 50 days in a row. After that, you must take the same period of the rest. Of course, this tea is going to help you a lot with the kidney problems, with the urinary tract infections and much more in a very natural way. My dear followers, do you have any kind of suggestion how to help the sick kidneys in a very natural way? Please comment below. Thank you for following me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. My new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 coming out soon. You will learn more about the rich history of the use of the plants in the healing, in their role in traditional medicine. You will learn how to grow your own medicinal plants, discover how to properly use natural medicines with advice on the dosage, possible side effects and interaction with other medicines, especially these chemical medicines that you receive regularly in your medical offices. This book is going to teach you a lot, and you will not anymore need this chemical medicine that had a large a number of side effects. You will need injections. You will need no more operation if you learn what is the natural remedy and what is the best natural remedy in this world. So this is part 1 of the 4th part book that will come out this year and the next year. Amazing Natural Remedy Part 1 is an ideal guide for use of natural remedies in the fight against the worst diseases of the modern man. Another important piece of information: that book will be available for pre-order from the May 1st on MarioLab.hr, my own website. The book is officially published 10th May, and then we start sending it all over the world. From 1st May till 31st May, we are giving away 50% discount on the purchase of the first book. For everyone who wants to buy my first book, Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health and Longevity, together with my second book, Wonderful Natural Remedies Part 1, in package. 2 books together in period from May 1st to May 31st. We grant a discount on 25%. Those discounts are my gift to you, and a couple more very important information. From the May, the book is going to be on sale on English and on Croatian language. On those 2 languages right now, book would be sold. On many more languages we are going to translate this book, but this translation is going to take a little bit more time. In next couple of months you will heard from me a couple more information related to the translation of these books. From now you need to know, from the 1st May you can pre-order Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 on Croatian and English language on MarioLab.hr. See you!